Hey, what's going on? This is Muriel from the Sunshine Family with Sophie. And if you think that Costa Rica is expensive, please watch my video because I have a solution that make you think the opposite. Really, it is a matter of your approach and your actions, and especially about your thoughts. And I have a solution. Honestly, it's working for me, and I like to share it with you. But also, I want to acknowledge that I hear what you're saying. If you experience Costa Rica as expensive, because hey, let's be real, if you compare Costa Rica with other countries, Nicaragua, Honduras, Panama, but also especially Mexico, other favorite countries for expat to retire or people to travel to, Costa Rica has higher prices. Now, before I'm going to continue and share you my solution that you can start applying right away, I want to share in a nutshell a little bit more about myself and what it is that I do that makes it possible for me to live in Costa Rica with Sophie, Joey, my other dog, and another dog, Lucky, and a cat, but also my family. But first I'm going to just ask you, consider to subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me get more exposure. It's very motivating for me. The more people are subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for me to make new content. Thank you so much. You see a little icon here in the corners of the screen. And I do make my living online 100%. Since 2014, I quit my social worker job because of that success online in 2015, and Dirk replaced fully his restaurant businesses with our online business. And I'm going to share exactly what it is that we do, but also what we teach, and just to give you ideas about that there's no time to lose, not a day, to change your approach on this statement. Costa Rica is expensive. It's so, how do you say that, relative? I'm very bold with this because I am an entrepreneur. I do make money successfully for 7 years, really like solidly. And I'm talking about, I don't like to talk about numbers, but it's above 10K per month. Okay, let's keep it neutral. I don't want to overwhelm people. I don't want to think that I am bragging or showing off. It's about motivation to, basically, I want to motivate you to have an open mind for what is possible. And what I cannot stand is that people always think, well, not always and not everyone, but a lot of people think in limitations. They think in, okay, so the prices are getting higher, the prices of gas and stuff. So what can we skip? What can we stop doing to make it this month, right? How can we survive the monthly bills with what we earn? And that is an approach that I see happening a lot. And if I would not be trained and coached by entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, I would think the same, because I come from a social worker background, and Dirk, my husband, comes from a restaurant background, right? We are like those servant people in society. Well, that is who we were. Well, we changed that, and this is my solution. So let's take this is my third dog that I was talking about. Lucky, show yourself. So again, yes, Costa Rica is more expensive than other surrounded countries. It is more expensive than Asian countries. Like, I've been in 33 countries in the world, and I have not experienced a more expensive country than Costa Rica. Now, I have not been in Australia, I've not been in New Zealand, I've not been in Norway. Those countries are more expensive compared to Thailand and cheaper countries in Latin America. But yeah, let's be real. A lot of people are looking to move to Costa Rica, are looking to vacation in Costa Rica. A lot of people are looking to retire in Costa Rica. But with their retirement check, they're not making ends meet with the prices. And this is the thing. If you think in the old business model of a job, a retirement check, trading time for money, I think most people will not gonna make it here. What do I see happening? Just an observation with respect. And I get it. When I stand in the shoes of those people, they sell a home somewhere where they are born and raised, and with the value of that in their hands, they come to Costa Rica, think they can live there for a couple of years and figure out another way to earn money in Costa Rica. Now, what they forget is that the prices are extremely high compared to what they expect. It's really higher than most people expect, including myself, but I could deal with it because my income was higher overall than the big mass of the people living in Costa Rica. And that's why I don't experience it that way. Also, what they forget is that you cannot work here as an expat or a tourist, or you have to work, you have to pay like under the table. It's not solid to work here when you do not have your paperwork done, and it's a hustle to get the paperwork done. So that's not the first solution. What is the first solution is what I hear you think. Well, that's this. That's another way of earning outside of the traditional business model of trading time for money, outside of the traditional business model of you work an X amount of hours and you get paid by the hour, you're going to be paid an X amount of hours. That's the old business model, right? I believe that entrepreneurship and tapping in the digital possibilities of creating digital courses. Like, for example, you're a physiotherapist. You're used to work for a boss or for yourself. You get basically paid per client or paid per treatment or paid by hour. Make sense? Now, with the digital business earning model, that's what I teach, what I do for many, many years, combined with affiliate marketing, that is selling other people's, I prefer digital offers, attracting strangers online. So I'm not talking about pitching people, selling to friends and family and all that jazz. That's like just the idea, just the thought makes me depressed. I like to be by myself. But just digitalize your skill, your passion, your knowledge, and share ideas and thoughts and share it online. You can create digital courses. You can share and refer people to affiliate offers that is solving specific problems for the audience you're speaking with, you're talking to. For example, I coached a physiotherapist who had 3 young kids who wanted to travel the world on a boat on the ocean. That's what she did before she got kids. And but she was done trading time for money in her job as a physiotherapist. By the way, I'm petting Sophie, so if you're thinking why she's moving, I'm literally sitting here with my Sophie. But she discovered in what I taught her in my coaching program, for example, that she can create a YouTube channel sharing solutions according to physiotherapy solutions, because that's what she's trained for. She's high qualified for it. But she was so done working away from her kids. So she replaced that earning model, trading time for money, with sharing advice on her YouTube channel according to physiotherapy exercises. What can you do for lower back pain? What can you do when you have a stiff neck? What can you do for all those tons of problems people are searching for online? YouTube, for example. Perhaps you are searching online on YouTube for answers according to how expensive or cheap is Costa Rica, right? Information about Costa Rica. Brought you here, brought you to other people's videos. That's content marketing, right? You share education, you share what you know. You do not have to have diplomas for it. You can share your experience, because people are Googling for it. You're just basically helping other people by sharing your knowledge and ideas. And with that, you can set up an unlimited amount of income streams. My student is setting up digital courses on how to do XYZ. She's setting up a Q&A service on the phone so people can call her and get her personal experience and advice and stuff. Now, she is qualified to give professional physiotherapy knowledge and advice because she uses a physiotherapist by trade. But there is so much possible, and she can give coaching, but also she was discovered on a YouTube channel by a company that wants her videos. They offered her, can you make videos for all the supplies that we sell, like all these all these how do you say that, stuff that physiotherapists use for clients to make life easier, to do exercises and stuff. And the company was asking her, can you make videos for us, and we pay you per video. So because of that by itself, she could quit her job. So she's paid for her services as an entrepreneur, basically, for videos she's making. And she is literally referring her viewers to other things that she's selling. Then it's called affiliate marketing. Now there is different world in affiliate marketing. You have low affiliate marketing, low ticket affiliate marketing, and high ticket affiliate marketing. So basically you can get paid by selling other people's products. That can be physiotherapy tools that you can use to roll over when you have back pain, or to crack your back, or to do exercises with. But you can also think about digital courses, coaching programs, higher end, exclusive, high value education, and you can get paid per commission. And without pitching people. How? Because you can attract people easily to you online. And that's just, I have so many more things to share with you. I'm gonna keep it with this. Affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and content marketing is the way so you can replace trading time for money in a job or working your butt off in your traditional business, especially in Costa Rica. It is, Costa Rica is expensive, probably compared to what you're used to, and compared to all the surrounding countries. You're going to whine about it, and don't, it's not personal. I'm just set a bold statement. If you're gonna whine about the prices are not gonna be lower. It is all about being better, getting better yourself, and learn how to make more. And you are living in the digital age. And if you're hiding from all the technology opportunities that's out there, I'm not even talking about what I'm gonna make my next videos about certain NFTs, making, the NFT world, the crypto world, blockchain, metaverse technology. Now, I do not want to just give you the creeps or give you cold sweat, but if you do not know what this all is, you're gonna be working your butt off for the rest of your life and being stressed in that old business model. There are so many people from all ages, from all countries, in all cultures, tapping in this new world of digital marketing and affiliate marketing. That is what this video is all about, right? But I hear you think, how does it work? Where do I start, Muriel? Well, it depends what you want. I can refer you with pleasure to an awesome orientation course that taught me everything on how you can build a business online with affiliate marketing. And that's the place where I'm going to send you to. Now, if you are determined and you follow me for a while and you do know that there's a lot possible, and you do see a lot of people making videos and with clickable links below their videos, etc. But you wonder, how do you do that? What's important? Which things to affiliate? What is a sales funnel? What is email marketing? Why do I need to do videos? You do not need to make videos, but it's my business model making videos. This is just one place where I make videos, guys. This is just one tiny thing that I do because it's my passion to share my experiences about being an expat in Costa Rica. But first and foremost, I want to inspire you that Costa Rica is expensive, is not my value. And I do know a lot of other people who are in Costa Rica, they do not feel that it's expensive either, because they have their finances set up the right way. They do earn passively. They do earn online. They do other things than the traditional business model of trading time for freaking money. And a colonna, a paycheck per hour. Well, if you earn 3,000 to 4,000 colonas the hour, that is less than $10 per hour. Go. They hear something. You can call yourself lucky. Yay! But like I said, if you do not have the paperwork, you're not even able to work here. And if you are a mom like me, who wants to have a lousy job in a restaurant to be underpaid? You're not going to be hired because there's so many tourists and travelers taking these jobs. And come on, you need something solid. And depending on a boss and a job somewhere else in the United States or Canada, wherever you come from, you're still depending on a boss. What if he fires or she fires you? What if the company disappears? We have all seen what happened during the lockdowns. You know how many people really collapsed financially with their businesses, lost their jobs. They're still suffering due to that. And that's why I always am bold about start building your roof while the sun is still shining. The world is changing, it's evolving, patterns are changing, business models are changing. If you do not know how to make your money online with affiliate marketing, attraction marketing, but also the digital money world, I'm gonna tell more about it soon, then this is the call to action to you. Go to my video description and comments below. I will add 2 links, okay? One is leading to a super cool orientation course. That's where I started online. It taught me every ins and outs, and it helped me discover if building a business like this is something for me, okay? I decided, yes, absolutely. Over time, I created my own courses, coaching programs, digital books. I am hosting an event in the Netherlands next week. That's why I was so silent. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a course creator. I provide education. I create courses, coaching and stuff. I consult people. That's how I make my living. Yes. But first and foremost, I want to teach you. You can also follow the other link. That's a free course. It's an orientation course. It gives you the 3 things you need to build an online business and to create freedom. For example, having the freedom to live in Costa Rica, to travel as much as you want to Costa Rica. That's like the 3 pillars of the online business. That's a free course. You know what? I'm gonna add 2 links below in the comments, the description. Be curious or not. For me, nothing changes. I'm gonna provide videos anyways. So if you were worried, where's Muriel? She's not making so many videos. It's because I'm creating stuff in the background. When I'm silent, it's actually a good sign. So you can hear way more from me. I'm also going to journal my trip to the Netherlands. I'm gonna travel to the Netherlands Tuesday. 1, visit my daughter. 2, visit Dirk's mom. And a big 3 is to organize an event. I'm the host of an event for a transformational personal breakthrough day for my Dutch students and for some followers from the Netherlands, because I have a huge audience in the country that I'm born and raised, because that country had their wake-up call during COVID. The Netherlands was really stressful country because the lockdowns were intensive and a lot of people lost their job and their business, and like the whole Netherlands woke up like, we need to build businesses online, but how do we do it? Guess what they did? They were searching for other Dutch people who are doing it, and that's what Dirk and I do. We are online successfully for 7 years. We started 9 years ago, messed up, made a lot of mistakes, learned a lot in the first 2 years, but since then we were more or less solid. Earned enough to replace my job and our traditional restaurant businesses, and are really on a mission to share with other people what we do. I believe that everyone can do it, but you need to be open to learn, to take action, to lower your guards, and to just tap in the technology of today. You need to be flexible. You need to dare to take risks, because I'm talking about building a business, not just a side gig or push button business. That's not what this is about. This is a serious entrepreneurial online business model that has no limits. So, call to action. If you want to think Costa Rica is not expensive, follow into my footsteps. Just click on one of the links. Be curious, learn more. It's all orientative. No one's gonna just rip you off with something you don't want to learn or don't want to pay for. But I give you the options. Are you taking this option? Yes or no? I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside of my course or the other course that I'm recommending to you. And with that being said, of course, I'm looking forward to seeing you in Costa Rica. And keep following my journey, because some interesting stuff will be posted from now on the next coming 2 weeks, because I'm going to the Netherlands. I'm going to journal everything. Ciao! Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing and thumbs up, sharing, and all that jazz. Looking forward to seeing your questions in the comments and anything that you want to share. Bye!